Okay, this is part of the window collection, window interchangeable collection. I have some just, plain windows, and I'm going to do more in this series, but this is the first one. So this is 2 Redbirds. So this is Echo, I think it's Echo Birch from Smoky Hill. On the front and back, no adhesive. And then in the center, I have 1/16 inch, I think basswood, and I have 3M on double-sided adhesive on both sides of this. And so it'll be sandwiched in. I just need to make sure that I have it in the correct place. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, all right. So we can start. I'm going to do the back face first. So I'm just going to remove the one side of the 3M that faces the back. I did not make a jig for this, but I will to use right now, but I will make one to put on my Facebook page. Was wanting to stick really well. So I want to get all the sides, and that's the advantage of having a jig, but I was in a hurry. So you just want to make sure the sides are flush because you want this space in here to be exact. So just make sure that it is all flush before it is pressed down. So, all right, then press it down. Then you want to remove the 3M from the back, or the other side, I should say. And then, oops, I almost messed up, not paying attention. Then just want to make everything smooth. Once everything's smooth, then you can press down. All right, so once that is done, then I'm going to take and sand the where the clip is going to be super glued to. You want to just rough it up a little bit. And then the same with the face of the clip that's going to be attached or super glued to the nightlight. Then you add your super glue. Then you add your clip and you just hold it until it is good and adhered. Okay, now that this is set a bit, I'm just going to test it. Yep, looks good. Excuse me. We're just going to attach it. All right. And then I will show you. I just got some of the, the stained glass, options. I think that looks really good and would look really good in here. So let's see. There we go. It's really good. And I just cut some that I thought would look good. I really like these stained glass one. Looks right here. Very good.